I fell into a burning ring of fire, went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire.
Look at they have their torches on.
I should go on. I know, I saw it.
It was a bad night. It's very dry, so the lawn went on fire across the street.
We even got to do the tour. This is great.
I got a door to fire truck, and we're all good.
Your neighbors are cool?
And